Looking to boost your customer service? The Magento 2 Chile Post Tracking extension makes tracking orders shipped via Chile Post easy. This video dives into the key features and requirements of the Chile Post Tracking module. Mitanchi's Magento 2 Chile Post Tracking makes tracking orders a breeze with Correos Chile. It sends out email updates and offers a special page for real-time tracking, keeping customers well informed. This tool reduces queries and increases customer satisfaction by showing transparent shipping details. Plus, it's easy to set up, ensuring everything runs smoothly in your customer's account. Here are the key features of Mitanchi's Magento 2 Chile Post Tracking extension. It offers real-time tracking updates from Correos Chile on a dedicated page, making it easy for customers to stay updated without leaving their accounts. The extension also supports split shipment tracking, providing individual updates for each package. Automated notifications alert customers when their shipment is coming, with direct links to tracking details. The setup process in the Magento admin panel simplifies tracking management for store admins. The Chile Post Tracking module for Magento 2 offers real-time updates and seamless order tracking. Automated notifications and a dedicated page enhance transparency and customer satisfaction. We hope this video has been helpful. Like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on improving your Magento store's performance.